happened to my hat?
He lost it on Atlantis.
I lost it on that last ride. But now we're here at the seal and sea lion feeding area. We love these guys. They're so funny. Shark ornament, $19.99.
Stocking,
Whoa, look at that.
$39.99.
Christmas sweater, Merry and Bright, SeaWorld, for $42.99. Oh, these ornaments are super cute. Look at this. Manatee, $14.99.
So cute.
Little octopus, flamingo, turtle. The penguin's so cute. Look at that.
Like,
A little shark. Yeah, I like the manatee the best. Look at that.
Dame la mano, paloma, para subir a tu nido. Dame la mano. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
You need a gift? You need a gift? Replace this water bottle. Who need a gift? Who need a gift? We got a gift.
That looks so good.
And now we are here at 10 o'clock. Raise what you got to
That's pretty good. Thank you. All right, guys, we got our second entree. It's the lamb chop. This looks amazing. It looks delicious. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh, look at the sauce. All right, here it goes. That's so good. That is so good. You gotta try this, babe. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Oh my word.
That's so good.
Wow. Merry Christmas!
Rudolph car costume, 1 red nose and 2 antlers. $16.99. There's a bunch of ornaments. What are these called again? $34.99 for this one. Sweet like Christmas. $23.99. Check out this long sleeve. It says SeaWorld. It's nice. Ooh, and it has lights on the sleeves. That's nice. How much is this one? This one is $42.99. We got these here. These are $20. Not bad. Look at these. These are on. Gingerbread men.
presents Winter Wonderland on Ice.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Oh, we got it. So we got it. Yo, we got it. Here we only got one room. Got it. Oh, we got it. So we got it. Yo, we got it. Move your head, swing it down. Well, today. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Oh, 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 we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Oh, let it snow.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I love this G-I-G at the
closing out this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. What an amazing time here at SeaWorld for the Christmas time. Make sure to come out here and check out the ice skating show and the firework display. It was amazing. This has to be the best fireworks show here in the Orlando theme park area, for sure. All right, this is really creepy. We're the only car here, and we're under the only light that does not work.